If your eBay store isn't generating 10 to 20 sales per day right now, you're probably falling into the biggest dropshipping trap of 2026. Stop.
Stop it. Get some help.
Stop tweaking your titles and stop blindly testing random products. The reason you are not scaling is because you do not understand how the eBay's algorithm actually works. Today, I am exposing 4 closely guarded secrets that the top 1% of eBay sellers use to manipulate search rankings, find hidden products, and fully bulletproof their accounts from getting banned. And we are starting with the most controversial one: why top sellers sell hundreds of items for zero profit. Let's get into it. Secret number 1. High volume, cheap orders are your ultimate shield. Everyone wants to sell high ticket items for massive profit, but top sellers always keep dozens of super cheap products like $3 tape, glue, or sponges active in their stores. We call them cart fillers. They sell these every single day and make almost zero profit. But why? Because of the secret eBay math. Your account health metrics are measured as a percentage of your total orders over the last 3 months. If you only have 10 total orders and one angry customer opens a case, boom, you have 10% defect rate and eBay suspends your account. But what if you sell only cheap items and have 50 or 100 orders? Now that one problem order is only 1% or 2% of your total volume. Your account stays in the green, eBay's algorithm loves you, and you are completely safe. Selling high volume of cheap items just to get the order count up makes perfect sense. But here is the fatal trap. To get those 50 cheap orders, you dropship them from Amazon. Amazon ships these small packages using their own logistics, giving you a TBA tracking number. If you upload 50 TBA numbers to eBay, the algorithm cannot track them, your metrics crash, and you get banned for fake tracking. This is why top sellers automate. They don't type anything manually. They use our tool, TrackerBot. You just connect your accounts and TrackerBot automatically catches those bad TBA numbers from Amazon and converts them into valid eBay approved tracking numbers like Aqualine or VDTrack and uploads them while you sleep. You stack up hundreds of sales, protect your account, and stay fully automated. There is a link for a free trial of TrackerBot in the description. Secret number 2. The one-click reverse sourcing hack. Most beginners think AI is the answer to everything. We recently ran an experiment. We took a complex image of an item on eBay, a product sitting in a real environment, not on a white background, and asked ChatGPT to find the Amazon supplier. And the result? Well, ChatGPT got confused by the background, gave us similar items, but completely missed the exact match. Top sellers do not waste time writing AI prompts. They just right-click the image on eBay and select Search Image with Google Lens. In less than 2 seconds, Google Lens scans the lifestyle photo and instantly pulls up the exact 100% matching product on Amazon. This is the fastest, most accurate, and laziest way to reverse source hidden products in 2026. Quick pause. If these secrets are already changing the way you look at eBay dropshipping, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We only share real, data-driven strategies that actually work right now. Let's jump into secret number 3, the first sale hack. When you create a multi-quantity listing on eBay, the Cassini search algorithm looks at one major metric, your conversion rate. But getting that very first sale on a brand new listing with no history is the hardest part. So what the pros do? They use the loss leader strategy. They intentionally drop the price of the item below the market value, sometimes breaking even or taking a tiny loss just to grab that first buyer. The second that first item sells, the algorithm says,
"Whoa, people want this."
and instantly pushes that item to the first page of the search results. Right after that first sale comes in, you raise the price back to normal and collect pure profit on the remaining inventory on autopilot. And finally, secret number 4, the free shipping illusion. Official data shows that over 70% of the millions of items sold on eBay are purchased from listings offering free shipping. Beginners are terrified of this because they think, why should I pay for the customer shipping out of my own profit? Here is the reality. Nobody is paying out of pocket. Free shipping is just a psychological marketing trick. If you want to sell an item for $40 and the shipping costs $10, you do not list it for $40 plus $10 shipping. You simply bake the cost into the price and list it for $50 with a free shipping batch. The buyer pays the exact same total amount, but they feel like they got a massive deal.
I was acting. Or was I?
So the eBay's algorithm automatically ranks you higher just for checking that box. These 4 secrets are the difference between struggling to get 2 sales a week and building an automated cash flow machine. But remember, if you're going to scale your volume to protect your account health, do not do it manually. Use the tracker bot link in the description below to automate all your tracking numbers with Aqualine or VDTrack and keep your store 100% safe. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more dropshipping secrets, and I will see you in the next one!